Hello everybody. Today I will discuss with you a very known problem. The problem is the file names would be too long for the destination folder, or you can shorten the file name and try again, or try a location that has a shorter path. It is a very known problem. Occasionally everyone face the problem. Today I will show you how can we resolve the problem. So let's start. The problem is occur when we try to copy a folder from one location to another location. Due to its long path means destination path is too long for copy. The problem is occur. Today I will show you how can you easily solve the problem. To resolve the problem, I am using a third-party compression software like WinRAR. You may use WinZip, 7zip or any other software, compression software. If you don't know how to install WinZip or WinRAR or 7zip, I will show you in the end of my video how can you install WinRAR or WinZip or 7zip like compression software. First, I will show you how can you resolve the actual problem. Now I try to copy a folder named Shunai. So right click the Shunai folder and click copy. Then try to copy it to the D drive. Under D drive a folder My Personal Documents and File. Under the folder My Old Camera Pictures, then 2012, then Bobita and Wedding Total Videos and Picture 2012, then pictures and videos of first Sagai at Kolkata Town Hall, then morning to afternoon all pictures captured by cameraman, then Bobita, then videos, then all videos. Then here I want to copy the specific folder. So I right click here and click paste. As soon as I right click and click paste, the file name would be too long. Notification is arrived and I cannot copy the folder to the destination folder. Now I can easily resolve the problem by WinRAR software. I have already installed WinRAR software in my computer. So I right click the Shunai folder which I want to copy and click the Add to Archive option. Then the WinRAR input box will appear. You will find here Browse option. Click Browse and go to the destination folder where you want to copy the folder. In my case it is D drive, My Personal Documents and Files, My Old Camera Pictures 2012, Bobita Wedding Total Videos and Pictures, then pictures and video first Sagai at Kolkata, then morning to afternoon all pictures captures, then Bobita, then videos, then all videos here, and click save here and click OK. Your folder, Shunai folder, easily copied there as a WinRAR files. See. See, under the videos, all videos, the Shunai folder is copied as a WinRAR file, and click the Shunai WinRAR file and click extract files. Click OK. Sonai folder. Now paste here. By this method you can easily copy your folder to a specific destination folder. Thank you. Now open Google Chrome. Write in address bar www.win-rar.com and press enter. The website will be open and click here download WinRAR. Scroll down and select download WinRAR and again click. Here a pop-up will arrive. Click download unverified file. Your download will be now start. After a few minutes your download will be complete. After downloading you have to go the download location where you downloaded the WinRAR application setup file by clicking show in folder options. Here you will find the WinRAR setup file. Select WinRAR setup file and double click the setup files. Then click yes. Then click install. Then click OK and then click done. Your WinRAR software will successfully installed on your system. Thank you everyone.